In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add error bars to column graphs in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with data in Google Sheets, you'll know how important it is to visualize your information accurately. One way to do this is by adding error bars to your column graphs, which is what we're going to cover right now. To start off, you'll want to bring up your column graph within your Google Sheets document. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the graph. This action will automatically open up the chart editor on the right-hand side of your screen. The chart editor is a powerful tool, allowing you to customize various aspects of your graph to better fit your data visualization needs. Now that you've opened the chart editor, focus your attention on the Customize panel. This is your creative space to adjust everything from the appearance of your graph to the data it represents. Within the Customize panel, look for the option labeled Series. Click on Series, and you'll notice several configuration options unfold right before your eyes. As you scroll down within the series options, keep an eye out for the checkbox marked Error Bars. It might not pop out immediately, so take your time scrolling to spot this feature. Once you've found it, simply click on the checkbox to enable the error bars for your selected column graph. Once you've ticked the error bars option, you'll see additional settings appear under it. Now, this is where personalization comes in. Google Sheets provides you with different types of error bars to suit the specific requirement of your data representation. You can choose between three options: constant, percent, or standard deviation. Each type represents how data variability is showcased on your graph. The constant option allows you to set a fixed value for your error bars across all data points. If you have chosen percent, your error bar will scale according to a percentage of the data for each column. The standard deviation will reflect statistical variability in your data points, which can be extremely useful for datasets with varying levels of standard deviation. Go ahead and select the option that best fits the needs of your data analysis. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added error bars to your column graph in Google Sheets. To wrap things up, it's key to remember that error bars are an essential part of data visualization, offering insights into the variability and reliability of the data you're presenting. Whether you're preparing a detailed report or showcasing information to a larger audience, the inclusion of error bars can enhance the clarity and depth of your data representation. Thanks for following along. Now, go ahead and try these steps on your own graphs to see the difference it can make.